Well, it is Monday and I am back in the office. I was in Philadelphia this morning representing a client at a preliminary hearing, which went very well. Now I'm back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey to see some clients in the afternoon session. With that said, quick word about a preliminary hearing. Remember that a preliminary hearing is not a trial in Pennsylvania. It's an initial hearing to determine whether or not there's enough evidence for a matter to proceed to trial. Now, frequently cases are held for trial at a preliminary hearing. That doesn't mean that you have a bad case or that the lawyer didn't gain some advantage during the preliminary hearing. And that's what happened this morning. The matter was held for court. One charge was dismissed, which is what we expected to happen. But moving forward, I feel very confident about the case based on what happened here today. With that said, think about the blog article today regarding 3 choices that people make during the holiday season, which could cause them problems into the new year and beyond. And it is the week before Christmas. It is the holiday season, and a lot of our clients obviously are getting ready for it. And I did the blog article because I want to point out things that can happen, and really they aren't issues that people go in thinking that they've committed a crime, but unfortunately they have. And the areas that I see are 3 areas. The first is carrying a gun in New Jersey. People carry guns in New Jersey. Either they forget or they think that New Jersey has reciprocity with other states. They travel into the guarded state, they're stopped, and sometimes they even admit to the officer that they have a gun in the car and they are arrested for illegal possession, because in New Jersey it is virtually impossible to get a permit to carry, and New Jersey does not have reciprocity with any other state, including Pennsylvania. The second issue that we see is DUI in Pennsylvania and DWI in New Jersey. Not necessarily drunk driving with alcohol, but people driving while impaired, under the influence, or intoxicated with drugs, prescription drugs, legal drugs, over-the-counter drugs, taken in things like Benadryl or other prescription drugs, perhaps, that could cause impairment. That can lead to a DUI. Now, obviously, that's going to come into play during possible mitigation if you're found guilty of it or you plead guilty to it. But again, you can be arrested and charged with DUI or DWI in New Jersey or Pennsylvania for a prescription drug, because they cause impairment. And that's really what a DUI is: driving under the influence, or driving while intoxicated, or driving while impaired. These are all issues, and the reason why that they created driving laws is because impairment and driving obviously don't mix. So keep that in the back of your mind. Finally, parties. If you're hosting a holiday party or a party, New Year's Eve party, or perhaps a lot of people host parties the week after the holidays, or the week before New Year's, for whatever reason. And frequently at these house parties, there are minors there. And I can't tell you how many people get into trouble for serving minors or giving minors access to alcohol, saying, "Oh, it's just a little beer or wine or mixed drink. Here, you're 19, you're 20, you're an adult, you can drink." And really, you're taking a chance, because there is social host liability both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey that you have to think about. And in that blog article, I detail that, both the law in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. I'm going to link in the article that I wrote this morning regarding these 3 issues. It's a fantastic article. We will be coming out with a lot of content this week regarding the holiday season and common crimes and issues that we see developing. Friday, we'll be coming up with our weekly e-update, which goes out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It's a special holiday edition, which will bring together all of our latest content. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Website, gambleandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, our podcast is featured on our website. We bring in lawyers outside of the criminal defense world to talk about their practices and how it can benefit our clients and their families. We know it provides value to you and your family because it talks about issues that we know are important to you and your family, like family law, workers' compensation, civil rights. So we make that available to our clients on our website in addition to our free downloadable books. Once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Monday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.